Borrowing money from BPI credit cards is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To borrow money from your BPI credit card, you have a couple of options. Cash advance allows you to withdraw cash from your credit card. Here's how it works. Eligibility. You need to have a cash advance PIN to avail of this service. Getting a cash advance PIN. You can request a cash advance PIN by calling the BPI hotline at 889-10000. This number is for areas with the 02 area code, or 1-800-1888-9100, which is the domestic toll-free for PLDT. Or you can call plus 632-889-10000. Alternatively, visit any BPI or BPI Family Savings Bank branch nearest to you. Now, the transaction process is: use your cash advance PIN at any ATM that accepts your BPI credit card. Withdraw up to 30% of your available credit limit as cash. A cash advance fee will apply. The transaction will reflect on your credit card statement. Then, the finance charge and interest rate for cash advance transactions will also apply.